welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you my little birdie, Rocky. So I don't know why I'm called him Rocky. It just reminded me of my old friend, because her name was Roxanne. Say hi, birdie. So sadly my bird is blind and he doesn't really know where he's going. Oi, bird! 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 Go up! Upper! I'm gonna guide you to your thing! So this is where he wants to go, but this is where he is. Aww, birdie. But he's very cute. He's very yellow though. Oi, birdie, look at me, look at me, look at me. Good boy. Go up, upper, up. I'm gonna try and lead him through. Up! Go up! Go or not. Oh my god, he's so cute. Upper!
Can you join?
Later, not now.
Please.
I'm recording. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.